How to install a through-wall outlet. Cut a hole in the rubber and insert the outlet. Mark around its perimeter and remove. Apply Techno primer to the marked rubber and allow to dry. Apply Techno primer to the back of the outlet. Once both primed areas are dry, mate together. Position the outlet flashing and mark out just beyond its perimeter. Thinly apply the primer with a scrubber pad and allow to dry. Peel off the backing paper from the outlet kit and carefully mate the two surfaces together. Use a penny roller and silicone roller for a really professional finish. Then cut the hole for the outlet.